Hello everyone, this is Casey Hamlin from Casey's Baja Tours. Ian, and airports can be a lot, right? With all the lines, noise, and rules. But beyond all that, there's adventure, family time, and new stories waiting for you. This special time in your life is perfect for exploring new places instead of just staying home. Today I'm going to share 26 flight tips especially for travelers over 60. These aren't just tips. They're like a toolkit to help you travel comfortably and without stress. We'll handle the tricky stuff so you can focus on enjoying your trip. Travel is about feeling confident and proving to yourself, I can still do this. The world is waiting for you. We'll make sure your journey is smooth. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Your ID is your golden key. Before you even start packing, make sure you have a real ID-compliant form of identification or a valid passport. Check the expiration date right now. Don't wait until the last minute. If your driver's license doesn't have that star, you'll need to visit the DMV. For international travel, your passport needs to be valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned return date. Don't let an expired ID ruin your trip before it even begins. Double check, triple check, and then put your ID away first. This is your travel foundation. Once you have this sorted, you're already one step ahead. Let's get it right from the start. Time, you see, is your best friend at the airport. For flights within the country, it's a good idea to get there 2.5 to 3 hours early. This extra time turns all the rushing around into calm. Even if the security line is long, it's okay. And if a self-check-in machine isn't working, you'll have plenty of time to figure it out. You can use that extra time to relax, grab a coffee, or even call someone you care about. Getting there early means less stress and more calm. The airport becomes part of your trip's beginning, not just a hassle. You're not just a passenger, you're a confident traveler. Let's start your journey feeling good. TSA Cares is like a secret weapon for travelers who need a little extra help. If you call them 72 hours before your flight, they'll set you up with a special helper. This person will guide you through security, explain everything, and even help with your bags. It's like having a VIP pass for peace of mind. If you have medical equipment or just need a bit of assistance, definitely use this service. You can find the phone number on the TSA website. There's help available, so don't be shy about asking for it. Let's make your trip as easy as possible. If you're 75 or older, the TSA actually lets you go through security faster. You often don't have to take off your shoes or light jackets. This happens automatically, so you don't need to do anything special. This small kindness makes security checks much easier and less stressful for your body. Sometimes, you might need an extra check, but most of the time, things go smoothly. Just tell the TSA agent your age, and they'll take care of the rest. These little perks make traveling much more enjoyable. Know about this system and use it to your advantage. Never put your important medicines in your checked luggage. Always keep them with you in your carry-on bag. There are no limits on the amount of medicine you can bring. Liquid medicines also don't follow the 100 milliliter rule, but you do need to tell them about it. Keep your medicines in their original containers so they are easy to identify. When you go through security, tell the officers if you have any liquid medicines. Your health is very important. To travel without worries, make sure to follow these steps. Always keep your medicine close. Don't take chances and prepare well. For a safe trip, please take good care of your health. When you travel with medical equipment, it's a good idea to get a note from your doctor. This note explains why you need equipment like a CPAP machine or an oxygen concentrator. Having this note makes things smoother when you talk to people at the check-in counter or with the airline staff. This isn't just for your safety, it's also important for the airline. Keep this note with your equipment or in your carry-on bag. Be proactive and talk to them when you check in or board. The trick is to give them the information before they even ask. This way, any concerns about your health should be taken care of. Want more time to board? Just ask. Airlines offer it to help everyone, not just you. Talk to the gate staff and ask for it, whether it's for comfort or because you have trouble moving around. It's not a bother. You're actually making the process smoother for everyone. A polite request goes a long way. Stand up for your needs. It makes travel less stressful and more respectful. Long flights can really mess with your blood flow. So wear compression socks and keep those legs moving. Even while sitting, you can do ankle circles, wiggle your toes, and lift your knees up and down. If you have an aisle seat, try to take a short walk when you can. This helps prevent swollen feet and more serious problems like blood clots. Compression socks are easy to get. Ask your doctor if they're right for you. It's important to take care of your body. Even when you're flying, you'll feel so much better when you land. The air in an airplane cabin is even drier than a desert, so make sure to drink plenty of water. Bring an empty water bottle with you, fill it up after security, and sip on it throughout your flight. Alcohol and caffeine can dry you out even more, so try not to drink too much of those. Staying hydrated can help you avoid headaches, tiredness, and even jet lag. Those tiny cups of water the flight attendants give you just aren't enough. When you land, you'll feel refreshed and ready for your adventure. Water is your best travel buddy. Even way up in the clouds, remember to take care of yourself. When you're booking your flight, it's a good idea to pick an aisle seat. It gives you more freedom to move around. It makes it easier to stretch, go to the restroom, or just move without bothering other people. This can make a huge difference in how comfortable you are, especially on long flights. You can move as you please and feel less awkward around others. Don't just pick any seat, choose wisely. An aisle seat gives you freedom and flexibility. A small choice can lead to a lot more comfort. Let's make your flight more enjoyable. Your personal items are like your survival kit for the flight. Pack tissues, hand sanitizer, a travel pillow, noise-canceling headphones, and some snacks. Think about what will make you comfortable and happy during your flight. With snacks and entertainment, you'll be comfy and in control of everything. Make your own little space for a comfy trip. Keep everything you need right where you can reach it. Turn your seat into your very own special place. Make sure to put your name and phone number on all your stuff. This means your suitcase, your electronics, and even your jacket. Things often get lost at the airport. Just one sticker or tag can help your things be found quickly. Put your contact info both on the outside and inside of your bags. To be extra safe, it's a good idea to use a few tags. Spending 5 minutes getting ready can save you hours of worry. Take steps beforehand to protect your important items. This is an easy and very helpful tip. Before you travel, make sure to download your airline's app. It gives you real-time updates on your flight status, gate changes, delays, and more. You can also use it to check in, show your boarding pass, and even track your bags. This app is a super helpful tool to manage your trip. Let technology do the heavy lifting and make your travel less stressful. Stay in the loop with the latest information and feel at ease. Let your phone do the work for you. Technology can sometimes let us down, so always print your boarding pass. If your phone dies or the app stops working, you'll be all set. You can print it at home or use a machine at the airport. Keep it in your travel wallet or a safe pocket. It's your little charm against any digital problems. No matter what happens, you can stay calm and keep going. Mix new convenience with old-fashioned peace of mind. Be ready for anything. If you need wheelchair service, make sure to confirm it with each airport you're traveling through. Don't just assume it'll happen automatically. You need to ask for it at departure, during transfers, and upon arrival. Double check at check-in, and don't forget to tell a flight attendant before the plane lands. By being kind but firm, you can avoid any problems. When you can move around easily, you'll have fewer worries. At every step, clearly state what you need. Let's make your trip smooth. Write down your medicines, how much you take, and your doctor's contact info on a piece of paper and carry it with you. If something happens, this note can be a big help. Keep one copy in your wallet and give another copy to someone you're traveling with. Just in case, take a picture of it with your phone too. This isn't about thinking bad thoughts. It's about being smart and prepared. If you do this, you can get the right help when you need it. For your peace of mind, make sure you're well prepared. Do you have any dietary restrictions? When you book your trip, make sure to ask for any special meals you need. It's best to do this at least 24 to 48 hours before your flight. Airlines offer many choices, like low-salt meals, diabetic-friendly meals, gluten-free, and vegetarian options. When you get on the plane, please check with the flight attendant about the meal you asked for. Don't wait until you're already on the plane to ask. If you plan ahead, you can really enjoy your meal. Your health is most important. Have a great trip with delicious food. Travel insurance is totally worth the money. It helps you out if you get sick, your trip gets canceled, or your bags go missing. Your regular health insurance might not work when you're in another country. Having travel insurance protects your trip investment and gives you peace of mind. Make sure to read all the small print in your policy. This is super important, especially if you have existing health conditions. A small payment can buy you a lot of security. Let's avoid any travel headaches. Let's protect you and your awesome trip. Let's talk about packing light, so you only need a carry-on bag and a personal item. Avoiding checked bags saves you time, money, and a lot of trouble. Try using packing cubes, rolling your clothes, and choosing clothes that you can mix and match. You probably need less than you think. When your luggage is light, you're free to move around easily. Less stuff means fewer worries. You'll have an easier time getting around airports and hotels. Being efficient makes your trip much more fun. Make sure you have your emergency contacts in your wallet, and on your phone too. Write ICE, which means in case of emergency, and a contact number on a card. Then put it behind your ID. Use your phone's medical ID feature so your information can be found quickly. It's a good idea to note down allergies, blood type, and any ongoing health conditions. If something happens, people helping you can find this info right away. This is a really important safety step for anyone who travels. Make sure you get this ready before you head out on your trip. Try to avoid flights with really short layovers. You should aim for at least 90 minutes or even 2 hours for your connection. Delays happen a lot, and sometimes the walk between gates can be super long. You need enough time to get around without rushing. The more time you have for your layover, the less stressed you'll be, and the more flexible you can be. You can use that extra time to chill out, freshen up, and get ready for your next flight. Don't let a crazy tight connection ruin your whole day. Plan your trip with comfort in mind, not just speed. Travel should be a nice experience, not a race. Want more room to stretch your legs? Ask for a bulkhead seat. These are the very first seats right behind a cabin wall. Since there's no seat in front of you, you get tons of space to stretch your legs. Sometimes it costs a little extra, but for a long flight, break time, things. It's totally worth it. The downside is that you can't put your bag under the seat in front of you during takeoff and landing. So, you have to decide what's more important to you, legroom or having your stuff right there. Know your options and pick what works best for you. Comfort is key. When you're at the airport, make sure to smile and say thank you to the staff. They work really hard to make sure your trip is comfortable. Being kind can make your trip a lot more fun. Good talks with them can often lead to special help or even a better seat. You're not just a passenger, you're a person connecting with other people. Kindness is like money that works everywhere. Use it often. Think of it as, you help me today, I help you tomorrow. Being kind makes your whole trip better. Airports are busy places, full of people, and it's always important that you stay safe. Don't rush, take your time, use the handrails, and don't hurry. Let others rush if they want to, and you just focus on getting to your destination safely. When you're on escalators or moving walkways, always hold on to the handrail. When leaving the plane, wait until most people have gotten off, then take your time getting up. Pay attention to what's around you. There's no prize for getting there first. It's important to get there safely. Traveling isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. When you're traveling, always listen to your body. If you feel tired, sit down and rest for a bit. If you feel dizzy, stop and drink some water. Don't try to push through discomfort. If you need to, stop and ask for help. There's no shame in taking a break. Your health is what matters most. Trust your gut and respect your limits. You are your own best friend. The place you're going is super important, of course, but the trip to get there is just as important. So enjoy every part of it, on the plane, at the airport, and all the time in between. Every trip is a new story, so make sure to really treasure that story. Be amazed by the views, enjoy meeting new people, and soak in every bit of your journey. This trip is your reward for all your hard work. If small problems pop up, don't let them spoil your fun. Every trip adds a new chapter to your life. Cherish this very moment, be thankful, and remember everything. You absolutely deserve it. So that's it. These were 26 tips for you to travel relaxed, safely, and with joy. I hope this helps make your next trip the adventure it should be. Want a printable checklist? Just send an email to caseystravelmagic@gmail.com with Guide 60 in the subject line, and I'll send you a free copy. No strings attached. It's my gift to you, so you can travel with confidence. God bless and happy travels. This is Casey from Casey's Baja Tours. See you on your next adventure. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and adventure videos.